too great. You know, we do have a couple of heavy downpours due to a line of some very strong, even severe thunderstorms currently making its way through central Indiana. You can see some of those heavy downpours on our cameras here. And then also I will mention there is some very frequent lightning associated with this line of showers and thunderstorms. You can see on satellite and radar, these storms are very quickly racing off to the southeast. One of the strongest thunderstorm cells that we are going to be keeping an eye on is actually south of Bloomington. Some reports down there of hail right around an inch, even an inch and a half in diameter. That hail really has been the primary concern with these showers and thunderstorms as they actually roll through our region. You can see a look at storm reports over the course of the past 24 hours, the numerous reports of hail that we had across the region. Most of the hail reports that we actually had were right around pea or nickel size. However, over in Tipton County, Randolph County as well, we did have several reports of hail right around an inch and a quarter and again an inch and a half in diameter, which of course hail that large can definitely do some damage. That hail is still going to be the primary concern across our region for the next hour or so here. After that point, I think our severe weather chances really are going to diminish. We also do have to think about the potential for these storms to produce some strong damaging wind gusts. Most of our peak winds across the area sitting right around 38, 39 miles per hour. However, embedded in some of these thunderstorms, some localized gusts as high as 60, 65 miles per hour have been reported. As I mentioned, there's a lot of lightning associated with this system. Over the course of the past 10 minutes, some of our local lightning strikes are right around 300. Again, that's just over the course of the past 10 minutes here. Good news is it does look like that number is gradually decreasing. So these storms are slowly weakening with time. Here's a look at the numerous severe thunderstorm warnings that we have in place across the area. Again, the primary concern going to be the potential for that large hail. Overall severe thunderstorm watch is anticipated to expire by 1 o'clock Monday morning. I do expect this watch will be allowed to expire a lot earlier than that. As I mentioned before, I think our severe weather chances dramatically decrease in the next hour to 90 minutes here. If you look at Futurecast, it kind of illustrates the same thing. By 11:30, storms out of our viewing area. We are trending drier but a lot cooler overnight tonight. In fact, as we kick off our Monday morning, we will have overnight lows in the mid-30s across the area. Even with the sunshine we're expecting during the day tomorrow, temperatures struggling to make it up to 50 for highs. A slight warming trend will be kicking off as we move into Tuesday. Still a decent amount of sunshine in the forecast by then. But this is a stark difference compared to what we had just a few hours ago. Temperatures across the area today made it up to 88 degrees here in Indianapolis. That not only smashed the record high temperature for today, but this also sets a new record for the warmest March day in recorded history for central Indiana. Again, a lot cooler across the area right now. Some of our local numbers, 47 degrees in Indianapolis, upper 30s over in Lafayette. And of course, since we are cooling things down with these gusty winds, there's also going to be a wind chill that we will need to factor in. Overnight tonight, we're down to 34 degrees. It's still going to be gusty, so wind chills going to need to be top of mind as we kick off the work week. In fact, I think by Monday morning, some of our local wind chills could actually be cooling down into the mid-20s. Notice a gradual warming trend. The next warmest day in the forecast, 77 degrees on Thursday. Notice a cool down into Friday, so another round of showers and thunderstorms will be possible by then.